Did you fail the USMLE again? Did you fall off the wagon? Do what it takes and get back on track again. So what if you failed once, twice, even n times? You're still standing, still breathing, still alive. You can't give up. Not yet. What is 1 or 2 lost months, or even years, in the grand scheme of life? You can always catch up on lost time if your mind, body, spirit are in sync, healthy, and whole. Get yourself together again and take the first step again. Forget the past. Hope again. Behold, a new thing is happening right now. Today it springs forth. Do you not perceive it?